bibili kaming dalawa. So,
Naka-aircon kami.
yeah. Rinig nyo ba yun?
Yung natunog na yun, yun yung aircon.
Oo nga. So, turo namin sa inyo yung santindahan. Yun lang katapat namin.
Sige na,
Ng bahay. Yarn?
Ano kaya snack ko?
Oo nga. Dapat camping naman sa kwarto, di ba? Kapilo ka. Yan siya guys. Yan. Bili pa.
Ano?
Isa pong Gatorade.
Gatorade. Wow, my favorite.
Okay, Mawin.
Ano na eh?
Gatorade ba?
Gatorade?
O,
Opo.
pumili ka na ng snack mo.
Ma, anong magkano Gatorade?
At saka yung puter. Ay, malaki.
Walang
Piatos.
Ano na sa'yo?
Piatos na lang.
Piatos.
Bakit? Bakit?
Oh. Meron maliit na roller coaster. Meron po maliit na roller coaster. Ano gusto mo kaya?
Ano na yun? Piatos.
Ha?
Ano na lang?
Opo.
Kung anong gusto mo pa. Kakami naman na rin. Baka ikaw. Sampo muna guys. So hi guys, kakain na kami. Ayan. Pampong. Ito flower.
My dad broke his glass vase, but instead of throwing the entire thing away, I would learn to repurpose it into a strainer. The first step is to take the thick part of the glass and knock off any remaining pieces of the vase. To shape this chunk of glass and make it thinner and more like a spearhead, I'm using a deer hammer to break pieces off. I'm then sure to strike the glass in the appropriate spot with a right angle and
Dito
otherwise
ka.
I risk breaking a piece of
Guys,
metal.
sa YouTube ako na lang
The more flakes of glass I break off, the thinner the spearhead becomes.
Baka nakalakay mo yan.
It's
Ano ka
time to
pa
sharpen up and thin the edge with the deer hammer time.
Nainis ako sa TikTok
By
eh.
placing the hammer
Bakit?
tip on the edge and pressing
Kasi
the flake
ano,
off, I can thin the edge and make it sharper.
Nainis
Just a
ako
little bit of
kasi na
sharpening up on the tip, and now I'm ready to put the notches in with thin bone tool.
nagpo-full
I put
storage
one notch
ako.
in, and now it's time to mirror it on the other side. I also chipped out some serrations on the edge to make it extra sharp. And with that, the glass spearhead is now complete.